Hi everyone, let's play with 3D characters. Where? In Motion for free. Yes, let's start our tutorial for today. So you have several options. We're going to explore them very quickly and you'll learn it and be able to have some fun with it. You can check out the potential this has and you're going to love it, I'm sure. Let's start. First go to Motion, so link will be in the comments, no worries. As always, I've got you covered. You're directed to the Discord. This is very easy, don't worry, step by step. So, accept the invitation. Then you have to read some guidelines very quickly, wait for a little bit, and then you can join the rooms. Choose one, and then write down the slash, and you have two options. Capture, what is this? You upload the file and then you choose the character and the character copies the movement. How brilliant is this? And it's so quick, very, very quick. The other option is to describe your prompt and then choose the character. You always have to choose one of the characters, and you have several. Have some fun with it. So now that you've tried it out, you have to download it quickly and easily and for free. Here, all you have to do is click. And that's it for today. So if you liked the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now.